Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming compatibility and securing a backup, because updates can fail and you want your data safe. Once you know your iPad supports iPadOS 18, plug it in or ensure it's above 50% battery and connect to stable Wi-Fi. Make a current backup to iCloud or Finder. This step prevents data loss. Next, free up 10 to 20 GB if needed by removing large apps or media, then proceed to settings to check for the update. You'll now download and install iPadOS 18. This is where patience matters. Open Settings, General Software Update and tap Download. The system verifies compatibility and fetches the files. If the download stalls, toggle Wi-Fi, restart the iPad, or connect to a Mac and use Finder for a wired install. That's often more reliable. Once the package finishes, tap Install, accept the terms, and let the iPad reboot. The install shows a progress bar. Avoid interrupting power or network during this phase to prevent errors. You'll wrap up by completing the setup and verifying everything runs smoothly. After the reboot, sign into your Apple ID, re-enable preferred features, and restore from the backup if something didn't carry over. Once done, update apps in the App Store. If the update fails, don't panic. Free additional storage, restart and try again, or use recovery mode and restore via Finder. That method reinstalls the system cleanly. One troubleshooting tip: recovery mode.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.